Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the INIU Wireless Charger. It is a 15-watt powered QI certified fast wireless charging stand with sleep-friendly adaptive light, and it's compatible with, for example, iPhone 12 Pro, 11, down to the 8 model, the iPhone 8 Plus models too, Samsung Galaxy S20, S10, Note 2010, Google, LG, etc. All kind of device which contains the QI standard can reload it on that awesome wireless charger. NTC Temperature Guard protection, eliminating traditional noise cooling fan. It controls temperature in real time smartly and silently. We're the cutting edge NTC Temp Guard to protect our phone battery against overheating and damage. And we can charge our way. The dual conductive coils let us watch videos in landscape orientation or stand in portrait mode for Facetime call and facial recognition, all without ever cutting power. That's awesome. And it's sleep friendly. Features a smart adaptive LED indicator to bright in the day and dim in the dark, so we will stay in the know, yet without annoying light to disturb our sleep. And you can see it is an indicator in it, and the LED is changing a little bit. And we have a universal compatibility. A high efficiency chip provides 15-watt fast charge for LG, 10-watt fast charge for Samsung Galaxies, and 7.5-watt fast charge for iPhones, and 5-watt standard charge for any other QI-enabled device out there. This makes the awesome INIU 15-watt super fast wireless charging stand experience a new level wireless charging speed, and it comes with so much. INIU is a leading innovator in mobile power and accessories. They are continually striving to create the best possible mobile experience and empower the digital life for people all around the world. At INIU, they use only the highest quality materials. And that's right, it feels really reliable if you touch it, and the smart things on it are really awesome. Because this is the next level 15-watt fast charging, nearly 3 times faster than standard wireless charging devices. Incredibly knocks off at least 45 minutes off our waiting time. And the first seen smart auto adaptive indicator on a wireless charger ever. Bright in the day for noticeable indication and dim in the dark for sleep friendly charge. And with a sensing distance upgraded from 4mm to 8mm, now we can charge right through case without any compromises to the fast charging speed. And eliminating the original micro input, it adopts the latest PD 3.0 USB-C standard and even comes with a fast charging cable for the most stable and effectivity charging power. And the intelligent FOD system auto detects all the foreign objects that interference with wireless charging to ensure as a safe and sound charge easily. And it's all what you need in the box. There's a wireless charging stand, and USB cable into it, and a welcome guide. Wow. We can use our phone while our phone is charging in two different modes. This is really awesome. We can save up to 45 minutes. For example, INIU 50-watt stand, 3 hours 32 minutes. Full charge the iPhone X. And a normal charger comes with that 4 hours and 17 minutes. Oh wow, that's better, isn't it? The wide compatibility is awesome because of the QI standard. Fast charge with 15 watt is for LG, V40, V40 Plus. Then we have V35, V30, V30 Plus, etc. No prob. 10-watt power, fast charging mode for Samsung devices, for S20, 20 Plus, 20 Ultra, and of course the good old S10e, S10 Plus, S10, and S9, S9, Note 10, Note 9, Note 8. Everything is possible to reload with that case. And we have 7.5 watt fast charge for the iPhones. For iPhone 12 Pro, 11, 11 Pro, XS, XS Max, XR, X, and until the 8. No prob. And of course, we can use 5-watt standard charge mode for all QI enabled devices out there. And this is the first seen auto adaptive LED indicator. Ambient light sensor on the backside will have another LED adaptive indicator in daytime or sleep mode. That's really awesome, I think. And we have a landscape mode. We can watch our videos or we can use face recognition. And we have a portrait mode. This is for FaceTime while charging, no prob. And exceptional NTC Temperature Guard. The Apple Watch does not load on it. This protects our phone battery against overheating and of course damage, because there is a built-in temperature guard. That's awesome. This is the INIU Wireless Charger with 15-watt power, QI certified fast wireless charging stand with sleep-friendly adaptive light, compatible with the entire QI family out there. And these are the most smartphones on the market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.